welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. So this video is a little impromptu, but I figured what better way to start off Vlogmas than with Christmas tree shopping. So originally we were going to go Christmas tree shopping this weekend because I have a pretty busy week and I didn't think we were going to be able to get it done. I was a little bit bummed out about that, honestly, but Ricky's done with work early. He's picking up the girls now. I had a little bit of free time, so I'm actually going to meet them at the store, and this is going to be Ava and Raina's first time actually participating in the whole like picking out a real live tree process. So I'm really excited about that. For those of you who don't know, I am from Washington DC. Every year we would get a live tree. I've never had an artificial tree. I love how it just brings in that smell into the home, and it really just starts to get you in the holiday spirit. So it's really special and important to me to kind of share that and pass that down with my girls. So I'm excited, but because I wasn't prepared to go Christmas tree shopping today, I'm not necessarily like ready, so to speak, with all the things that I need, but I am going to start the process. I wanted to flock my tree, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to flock your own Christmas tree. It seems pretty simple. I've actually never done it before with the flocking powder. I've only done it like with the spray, but the flocking powder obviously looks so much better. So I'm going to show you how to do that and bring you guys along with me. Let's go shopping. Okay, so here's what we're trying to figure out. Ava, don't do that. You're going to hurt yourself. We have like almost 10-foot ceilings, but not quite. Mommy, can you put my mask up over my nose? Thank you. And the tree we were looking at, it says 8 to 9 foot. It looks more like a 9 foot. Ricky doesn't think it's going to fit in the house. I don't really know if it is, honestly, but I like it. It's so big, it's so tall, so I told him to get it anyway. We could just like chop some off the top, so we'll see. Okay, so we got our tree. We went to Home Depot, but they didn't have any tree flock, so I called and they have some here at Lowe's. So we came to Lowe's so that I could pick that up, and then we'll head home. Just because of the time change and stuff, honestly, I don't know if I'm going to be able to flock the tree today. So I may have to just like put it in the stand and then do the rest tomorrow. But at least I'll have it and then I can start on it, whatever.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Okay, so we just got home and obviously it is too late to flock the Christmas tree, so we are gonna have to deal with that tomorrow. All right guys, so today's been a little hectic, but I finally have some time to film. So this is the Christmas tree, and Ricky is actually working right now, so I have no idea how I'm going to do this exactly, but somehow I need to get this tree in this stand and to the backyard so that I can flock it, and I am racing against the clock because it's going to be dark soon. And then this is my mess of Christmas decorations. I was literally like digging through here earlier today, my fall decor that I have not put away yet, but yeah, don't judge me. Y'all know we just moved into this house some months ago, and I'm still trying to like organize the garage and stuff, so don't judge me. Don't come for me in the comments. It's gonna be spectacular when I'm done with it, but for now it's a mess, and that's okay. So let's figure this out. Ooh, first things first, I need to change my clothes because I have on a dress right now. So I need to put on some clothes, but I don't mind getting dirty.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's
like, I think I can complete this tonight, but I don't realistically know how much I'm going to be able to capture on camera, just because of, you know, like the lighting or whatever. But I'm going to try my best. I am going to try my best. So we had a Christmas tree stand already, that I would not have had to do all of this with, but I don't know what happened to it. Just like the wreath, it like mysteriously disappeared somewhere in the move. I feel like Ricky was throwing my stuff away, y'all, for real, because he says that I got hold on to too much. But like, we use the stuff that I hold on to. Like, I don't know why he wants me to throw everything away, you know? So now we don't have a wreath, you know? Whatever. I'm gonna figure it out and make it work. Oh, my legs hurt. We doing something here. I figured, since I don't have Ricky here to help me, like lift the tree up and stuff to put it on the stand, I figured the best thing to do, I'll go ahead and put it on the stand while it's laying down. This is a mess. It's probably gonna be crooked, but like after you flock it, it has to sit out for like 24 hours anyway. So I figured if I can at least get on the stand and flock it tomorrow when we bring it in the house, Ricky can help me, you know, make sure it's not crooked. What did I do? Oh crap. Oh crap, guys. I'm struggling over here. Okay, let me see. It is dark outside.
in this winter wonderland, chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Alright guys, so I know this is not ideal, but I didn't want to delay this video, so I'm gonna make it work. It's like 6 o'clock, and you know, with the time change and everything, it's dark faster, obviously. So I just got the tree standing up. I'm gonna go ahead and try and start flocking it. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna really get up to the top. I may have to wait for Ricky for a little bit of it, but I'm gonna do most of it. Let's get into it. Apparently all you need is the flock powder, which I have, a sifter, which I picked up just from the Dollar Tree, and then a spray bottle. So I don't have like just a regular spray bottle, so I'm gonna use like my hair mister and work it out. So let's do it. So I figured it made most sense to start at the top of the tree since snow falls from the top to the bottom, and like work from the top, work my way down. But y'all, I was struggling so much to get like the top, tippity top part of the tree. I don't have a ladder, so all I had to stand on was like my chair. I've never had a tree this tall before. It's a 9-foot tree, so I've never actually had this problem. And there goes my tree.
But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
Work mostly on this side just in case I run out of the flocking powder. The side that I started on, like dumb me, that's gonna be facing the corner because it has a couple broken branches. So I'm gonna start working on this side just in case I run out of flocking powder. It's a little bit hard to see what I'm doing because it's dark, but we're gonna figure it out.
But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Now I am just going through with my camera flashlight, my phone flashlight, to see if there's any holes. I'm not focusing too much on this back end of the tree because it's gonna be in the corner. Oh man.
Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I'm so excited to go take a look at the Christmas tree. I have not peeked out the window or anything. I have no idea what it looked like. Remember, I did it last night in the dark. So it's really no telling. This is Russian roulette at this point. But I'm gonna take you guys out there with me. OMG guys, it's cold out here. Look at that. I like the tree. Oh guys, I like it. Oh, it looks good. It's not bad at all. Okay, let me turn you around and show you. I like it, guys. I think it looks nice. Okay, it's a couple holes, but we can fill that in with the ornaments and stuff. Oh, I like it. So this is the back part of the tree. Wow, which I thought that I really didn't focus on, but apparently I did. Well, there, like it's some holes there. Let me show you. Like there's a little hole. But this is going to be like in the corner. The tree's going in the corner, so that part you won't really see. Yeah, all of this. You see, it's like a little line right there that I didn't really focus on. So that's fine because it's going to be in the corner. But the front part, I think it came out nice. OMG. I love it. It's a couple pieces, look down there, like tucked in. So guys, when you're flocking your tree, make sure to get like in the inner parts in between those branches so that you can really get some coverage. Obviously y'all know I did it at nighttime, so it was a little bit hard to see. So that's another tip. Do it in daylight. Don't be like me, be better. Do it in the daylight. Look, here's another spot. If you do it in the, if I did it daytime, I would have seen all of this in here. So you want to like really get in there. And honestly, next time, like maybe next year when I do it, I may not use the sifter. I think it might even be better to just pick it up and just go like that. Let's see if it's coming off. Oh, it's not. It's almost dry. Oh yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, it's almost dry. So I'm just gonna leave it out like maybe midday, since I did it last night. It's recommended to leave it out 24 hours. So I'm not gonna wait until nighttime though to bring this back in. Most of the pieces are dry, so I think I'm good, honestly. I just need Ricky's help bringing it in, because I feel like this stuff, I don't know, I just feel like it could get messy. And surprisingly, I thought I wasn't really doing a good job at the top, but the top is not bad. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try and zoom in. Not sure if you can see that, but I actually got pretty decent coverage at the top. I'm surprised. Now the very, very tippy tip top, I did not get coverage, but that's okay, because that branch, the tallest branch, I'm gonna cut that down a little bit, and then I'm gonna have like my topper up there, so I don't think it's gonna really matter that those branches aren't flocked, because you really won't see them. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright guys, so that's my tree. This is how you flock a Christmas tree. It was really easy. You just need the snow flock powder, a spray bottle with water, and a sifter, or you can use your hand. Easy peasy. So here are my tips. Make sure to do it outside, because it can definitely get messy. You see? Like, I don't know what that would be like on your floor. Like, these pieces is actually dry. See? That's dry. But obviously on the grass, it doesn't matter. The grass is going to get cut anyway, so that's fine. Do it in daylight, obviously. Let your tree dry or sit out for 24 hours to make sure that it's completely dry. Get a ladder so that you can get to the top. If you have a really tall tree, and you know what, I didn't do this because it was nighttime, but if you have little ones, let the kids get involved. This is a really, really cute, like, something to do as a kid, traditions. Children remember things like this, like, oh my gosh, I remember every year we would flock the Christmas tree together. Like, they remember that kind of stuff. So get the kiddies involved. That would be nice. I should have done that, but they're gonna help me decorate. So alright guys, that's all I got for you today. This is my flocked Christmas tree. I love it, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.